afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Onaji's kitchen. I'm at Panmure Station to get the bus, my third bus. I had to take bus today, so I just, the weather is not good. It is quite windy, drizzling, raining, very windy, the wind. And the rain is coming on you. Look at that mountain. That is called Mount Wellington. And if I zoom in, you can see people walking on the top. They walk and I show you a glimpse of the station. That is inside the train station is inside, and outside it is the bus stands for different places. So I'm waiting for my bus 712, and sometimes there is only one or two passengers in the train or bus, but still they go. It is not like the bus is full. Sometimes when it is like rush hours or busy hours, they do like people are, sometimes they don't mostly allow in the buses to stand, but sometimes they do. So usually people are sitting. So that's if I could get, I'm waiting for my bus. I hope I don't miss my bus. I'm just I'll take maybe a glimpse of the inside of the station. You know, in New Zealand, the walls, and there's a lot of artwork, colors on the walls. They like it like that. And this is Panmure Station. I'm just waiting downstairs. You have to go through the escalator to get the train. And so just waiting for my bus. Let's see. It is expected 4:35. So I'm just waiting. This bus is, I'm waiting. I don't know. Today, I can't see any double-decker buses. There are all normal buses, the normal buses. No double-decker today. There might be soon. Oh my God, it is so windy that it is taking away my phone. The wind wants to take away my phone. So no videos anymore. So I just said about the bus, like double-decker, and look, there is one double-decker coming. Yeah, there you are. Here is the double-decker bus. It is going towards the city. Has come from Watney and going towards the city. So this is the schedule for the bus. For the buses, actually. My bus is expected at 16:35. So I'm waiting for that. 8 minutes to go. So that is Buckland Beach bus, my mom. I'm just waiting for that. Today and whole last 2 weeks were quite busy for me because the other colleague is covering someone's leave, and the girl who started was trained, but she has left already. She resigned. So I'm alone at the moment and looking after so many things. So I'm very tired, and let's see how the weekend is. Everyone, take care. Have a lovely weekend. And stay safe, blessed and dry. Bye bye.